module, we are going to learn about the wonders of space. We all know space is amazing, right? There is a lot of things that we don't know about space. Come, let's see them one by one. This is for sure going to blow your minds. We all see stars in the night sky. People say that we cannot count the stars. They say that because there are more number of stars and they all seem to be the same. Not only us, even scientists who research space cannot count the exact number of stars. Scientists are only able to tell the approximate number of stars that are present in our galaxy alone, that is, the Milky Way galaxy. Like our galaxy, there are so many other galaxies in the whole universe. The universe is the collection of all galaxies, and each and every galaxy in the universe consists of different planets, just like those in our solar system. The universe is continuously expanding at about 73 kilometers per second, so nobody knows what lies at the end of the universe. We could only try to speculate the possibility. The space is also very quiet. It's so quiet that at one point the silence is deadly enough that it will make you go literally insane. This is because of human brain needs some amount of sound to function properly. The reason why space is silent is because sound waves also need a medium to transmit. It either needs a solid, liquid or gas to travel through. Since there is no gas in space, it is totally silent. Now let's see about the planets in space. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. It is also the closest to the Sun. It does not have any atmosphere covering the planet, like how ozone layer surrounds Earth. We cannot go there because it is very close to the Sun. Next comes Venus. Venus is the most dangerous planet in the solar system because its atmosphere is composed of sulfur in high quantities. This is very poisonous for human body. Its atmosphere also traps a lot of heat, making it the hottest planet in the entire solar system despite being farther from the Sun than Mercury. Then comes our Mother Earth, our beautiful planet. After Mother Earth lies the planet that we most probably are going to set foot on very soon, Mars. Other than Earth, Mars seems to be the only planet that could support life. A long time back, scientists were able to find traces of small microscopic organisms from a rock in Mars. Research has been going on to make proper arrangements for survival in Mars. You will learn more about this in the upcoming modules. Do you know there is a volcano in Mars called the Olympus Mons? That is 3 times the size of Mount Everest. Scientists believe that it might be active even now. Next comes Jupiter, the biggest planet in our solar system. It is a thick ball of gas that doesn't have any solid surface to land. Do you know that Jupiter could fit in 1,300 number of Earths in itself? Pretty huge, right? After Jupiter lies Saturn, the most beautiful planet in our solar system. Saturn is the only planet in our solar system that has rings. Well, Uranus has rings too, but that is not as prominent as that of Saturn's. Saturn is the lightest planet in our solar system. If you make a bucket big enough to fit Saturn inside and fill it with water and put Saturn inside it, Saturn would actually float on water. That's how light Saturn is. The rings around Saturn are composed mainly of ice, gas and dust. Jupiter and Saturn rotate so fast compared to Earth. While it takes 23 hours and 56 minutes for a full day in Earth, it just takes 9 hours and 56 minutes in Jupiter and 10 hours and 42 minutes in Saturn for completion of a full day. But if you take Venus, it rotates so slow that a year in Venus is actually shorter than a day in the planet. it takes more than 200 days for complete rotation of Venus about its own axis, while it takes just 225 days for Venus to do a full round around the Sun. The last two planets of our solar system are Uranus and Neptune. They both resemble in a lot of characteristics. While all the planets rotate from left to right in the solar system, Uranus is the only planet that rotates from top to bottom. Uranus has the record for the coldest temperature ever recorded in our solar system. Neptune resembles Uranus a lot in its characteristics, but it doesn't have the strange rotation pattern that Uranus has.